Hello everybody. In this video we'll be talking about understanding HTML structure using VSCODE. So first of all, we create our folder on VSCODE. To create this folder, you need to create your folder on your window so that you will select it and store your file there. We'll be creating our new folder. So you can name your folder any name you like. So after naming our folder, we are going to open it in Visual Studio Code. So to do this, you go to open folder for workplace. Then you go to your desktop here you created your folder and select your folder. You can see our folder there. Then you select it and add. You click on yes. Now you can see our folder that we just created. To create a file now, you will click on the file icon. Click on the file icon and we will name it index.html. Index.html, and you click on enter. Now our file is open. So we are going to create the HTML structure now. First of all, we enter our doc type, which is HTML, and HTML itself for our HTML file. So header and a body where our content will be. Note that header is where your title would be. We'll be talking about styling and full HTML in our next video. So in this video we are just looking at HTML structure. So create our first header. Hello world. Note, to run this, if you are new to Visual Studio Code, you need plugins. The plugins you'll be needing are Live Server and Code Runner. Go to your extension list in your Visual Studio Code and search for Live Server and Code Runner. So if you are using Live Server, your code will automatically update immediately you save your file. So we are using web Chrome. We are using web browser. So this web browser, after we save our file, we need to reload the page. But if you are using Live Server, once you automatically save your file, the HTML page will automatically update. So you can see our text in our browser. Let's create a paragraph. Welcome to this tutorial. So you can see the paragraph as we save it. Then we'll go to our browser and we need to refresh it again. Welcome to this tutorial. But if we are using Live Server, we don't need to refresh the browser. Immediately we save it, it will automatically update. So let's create a link. We add just any link here, website.com. But if you want to create a normal link that will take you to the main website that you want the link to take you to, you will add HTTP https/ the website, but this is just a example. So you can see our link. If you click it, it's supposed to take you to another website, but because the link does not have HTTP, so we are going to create image now, and I will still show you how you will upload your image on Visual Studio Code in your folder. To upload your image, you go to your folders, and select the picture you want. You can select it, copy it, and take it to the folder you are using. You can take it to the folder, double click it, and right click and paste. Now you can see your image here. When you go back to Visual Studio Code, you will be able to find your image right there. Now look at the image. Look at the image there. Now to put this image, you write the name of the file. So you can see number 6298D. Now you can see it appear here. Just click it. Now you save your file and go to Chrome, then reload. Now you can see your picture here. You can see your picture. So now you know how to set your folder and how to upload picture to your work. So be ready for our next video on how to style our HTML.